Hi viewers, this is Sai Krishna. You are watching Art Tech by Kittu. Vivo finally released the FunTouch OS 10. So in this video we discuss about the features of FunTouch OS 10. See guys, the smartphone in my hand is Vivo Z1 Pro. This mobile getting the FunTouch OS 10 update on June 15th. You are all waiting for this FunTouch OS 10 and Android 10 update. It's finally came. The all Vivo users have only one doubt. That is, which models are getting this update? So I will give the clarification of all those questions and doubts. Before watching the content, please support our new channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Firstly, the FunTouch OS 10 and Android 10 update getting almost all models of Vivo runs with the Android 9 and FunTouch OS 9. So don't worry about those future updates. These all information leaked from the Vivo. Presently, I am checking for the update in my phone Vivo Z1 Pro. Yes, I get this update on June 15. This update file size is 3.1 GB. In this update, the smartphone upgraded to Android 10 and the latest FunTouch OS 10. Also, we get new features like dynamic effects. In dynamic effects, we get the new animations for charging, face unlock, home interface. With this update, the compass and calculator also updated. I will show the all new features of FunTouch OS 10 in this video. Before watching the content, you must do subscribe our new channel Art Tech by Kittu. The update file size is too large. Avoid the mobile data and use the Wi-Fi network for this update. I am using the Wi-Fi network for this update. In update section, you can click on the download and install for this update. Now my phone was updating. So it takes so much of time for updating. So after updating, I will be back. Hey guys, the update was completed. So let's see the features of FunTouch OS 10. I will show the proof the update is done or not. For checking this update, go to settings section and click on the about phone. Oh, finally we got the Android 10 update for Vivo phones. You observe the difference in settings section. The total interface is changed. See the icons. Okay, we check in about phone section. See the model number Vivo 1951. See the Vivo ROM is FunTouch OS 10, Android version 10. Processor Snapdragon 712. So it's clear we got the Android 10 update for Vivo. This is the good news to all Vivo users. The Vivo takes too much time to upgrade this version because COVID-19 situation. The Vivo R&D department is closed for the lockdown moment. The Vivo says this reason for the delay. Anyway guys, finally we get this update. So now we check the features of FunTouch OS 10. So open the setting and see the different icon at the top side. You see the difference in icons and notification bar. It's look like attractive. The first change in settings, hotspot and network settings are totally moved to one section, that is other networks and connections. The next change is Vivo Share. The new feature is appear. In this feature, you can give the permission to share the files or receiving the files. Now see the another option, Smart Mirroring. In this Smart Mirroring, they improve the latency feature. They decrease the delay while mirroring the audio and video files. In notification and status bar settings, no options are changed, but it looks like the icons or notifications are changed. You see the difference. The next feature in display and brightness. The dark mode we have the feature in FunTouch OS 9 also, but this time this feature is applied for the third-party applications also. If you using this feature, the battery efficiency is improved. By turning on this feature, the options are not clear. That's why I turned off this dark mode. In home screen settings, they improve the icon styles and design of icons. You also get the new feature to increase or decrease the icon size also. The next latest feature, they mainly teasing this feature dynamic effects in FunTouch OS 10. See what features including in this section. Firstly, unlock and enter home screen animation. By using this feature, we get animation effect while unlocking the phone. See how it works. We have 4 animation in this section. I am applying the first animation, fly out. See how it works. Yes, it looks like awesome. We can apply the second animation, fly in. I am checking this feature also how it is. It is also looks cool. Now we apply the final animation, fly in layer 1. This feature also look better. I like this feature. Nextly, facial recognition animation. In this feature, we can see the animation effect while using the face unlock. It has totally 5 animation effects. We check one by one. Now see the effect of animation. This is awesome feature. Nextly, the charging animation. In this feature, we get the animation effect on screen while charging the phone. In this feature also we get the 5 animation effects. Now see the preview of these animations one by one. Mostly I like this feature. I am expecting more animations in this feature. Now see another settings. Jovi scene, motorbike mode, these all are old features. Let's see the new features. Digital well-being and parent control. They mostly highlight this feature also in FunTouchOS 10. By using this feature, we can check the complete usage of phone. You check which applications are mostly you used, how many notifications you received, how many times you unlock your phone. This feature also impressed in FunTouchOS 10. In this feature, we get the parent control option also. By using this feature, you hide some applications, files from your children and adults. You check all these features after you updating your smartphone. In this FunTouchOS 10 update, we get some navigation gestures also. See this gesture while closing the application. Observe bottom screen corners. See this gesture while closing any application. Observe bottom screen corners, some curved lines occurred. You can drag this curve to upside. Automatically the Google Assistant is opened. This gesture is also awesome. They highlight the calculator and compass features in this update, but in calculator application they add only money conversion option. In compass the interface was only changed. Actually I am expecting more features from Vivo on FunTouchOS 10 update, but I really upset. In Chinese version had more options like remote the smartphone, Jovi voice assistant, but in Indian version there is no features. Anyway, hope you all like this video. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.